Today we are learning how to solve rational inequalities. In solving rational inequalities, first off we need to find the critical values. So we're gonna take the numerator, the x minus 3, put it equals to 0. Oops, that wasn't focus. Okay, so we're just gonna take the numerator and this equals 0, and we're gonna take the denominator too, x plus 1 equals 0. Then we're gonna take the numbers and put them over the equal sign, and this is going to make it to change its operator about operator. Well, it's gonna turn it to positive 3. This one is 6, negative 1. Oops, kind of nervous. Okay, negative 1, that's negative 1. Now we're gonna draw a line that it's not perfect line, 0 in the middle. Then we're gonna put these two critical values on the line. So negative 1 is here, then number 3 is here. Then at the end of each line is just gonna be in positive infinity and negative infinity. Then what we're gonna need to do is to split these up just like that. Now from this side we're going to take a number from negative 2 to negative infinity. I'm just gonna choose negative 2 because it's going to be easier to solve, and in the middle it's gonna pick 0. Then at this side it's gonna pick number 4, positive 4. You can pick any number, or you could pick 5 if you want, or 6, but I'm just gonna choose 4 because it's much easier to solve. Okay, next, now that we chosen the numbers, it's the x's, we're gonna take the negative 2 and substitute it to the x of the function. So negative 2 minus 3 over negative 2 plus 1. Solve it. This negative 2 minus negative 3 is negative 5 over negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Then negative 5 divided by negative 1 is positive 5. Now we're gonna copy the equation there. Just put it here. Equals, or is 5 equals or less than 0? This is false, so we're just gonna put false there. False. Now 0. This we're gonna do the same with this one. Just gonna substitute the x there. So x is 3. Sorry if my hands is mostly in the way. Then over 0 plus 1. Kinda okay. Now let's solve this. Just 3 over 1. Negative 3 divided by 1 is negative 3. We're just gonna do the same. So is negative 3 equals or less than 0? It's negative 3. It's in the negative, so it is lesser than 0. So this is true. Now we'll move on to this side. The x equals 4. I'm gonna do the same, just substitute the x. 4 minus 3 over 4 plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 over 4 plus 1 is 5. You cannot divide 1 to 5, so it stays like that. Then we just put it here, there. So it's 1 half, 1 5, 1 fifth is equals or less than 0. This is false. There, like that. That we found identified that. We're just gonna see if which one of these, if which one if negative 1 and 3 is included or excluded. The way that we find if it's included or excluded, we find the critical values, these, and just substitute it to the x. So just like this. Just gonna put it closer to the camera. Now, just gonna substitute the x. Negative 1 minus 3 over negative 1 plus 1. So negative 1 minus 3, it's negative 4 over negative 1 plus 1 is 0. This is already undefined, so even if we do this, cannot be. So this is undefined, so this makes it, uh, and it's excluded. We're gonna put a hollow circle there because it's excluded. Now we move on to the number 3. The number 3, the critical value 3. Okay, just gonna do the same with this one. Just gonna substitute to the x. 3 minus 3 over 3 plus 1. 3 minus 3 is 0 over 3 plus 1, 4. 0 divided by 4 is 0. This over 0. Is 0 equals or less than 0? If it's true, this is true. So this makes it it's included to the line. So what we're gonna do is gonna draw a whole circle in whole circle on its line, not a hollow one, whole, just like that. That's how you find if it's excluded or included. Now then we're just gonna put a paragraph. Uh, sorry, paragraph. I meant since this is not included, we're going to be using a parenthesis. This parenthesis. Just gonna put negative 1, comma, and then 3. 3 is included, so we're gonna put in a bracket, just like that. Now this is the answer. This is how you solve for the rational inequalities. Okay, thank you all so much for watching my math video. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope to see you again next time.